Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. My name is Amelia, and I'm very happy to have you here today. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a very important and very useful topic: healthy eating. Eating healthy is something we all do every day. We eat to get energy, to stay strong, and to feel good. But many English learners feel confused when they think about healthy food. Maybe you don't know what to eat. Maybe you don't know how to ask for healthy food in English. That is completely normal. Today, I will help you learn about healthy eating in a clear and simple way. We will use easy words, real-life examples, and lots of questions that you can practice every day. Let's begin. First, let's talk about why healthy eating is so important. If you eat unhealthy food every day, your body may feel tired. You may feel slow or weak. But if you eat healthy food, you have more energy, you think clearly, and you feel better. Healthy food supports your heart, your brain, your skin, and your mood. For example, you can ask yourself, what should I eat today? Which snack is healthier? How much water do I need? Asking these questions helps you make better choices. It also helps you speak English while thinking about healthy food. Now, let's look at some simple questions you can ask in real life. If you are at a restaurant, you can ask, what ingredients are in this dish? Is this dish healthy? Can I have more vegetables, please? If you are at a grocery store, you can ask, which fruits are fresh today? Do you have low sugar options? Where can I find whole grain bread? If you are at home and cooking, you can ask yourself, how much oil should I use? Can I add more vegetables? Is this portion enough for me? Let's talk about some useful question words for healthy eating. You can use what to ask about food. What should I eat for lunch? What is the healthiest fruit? You can use which to ask about options. Which snack is better, an apple or a banana? Which vegetable is easiest to cook? You can use how to ask about quantity or ways. How much water should I drink? How can I cook this without too much oil? You can use is/are to ask yes or no questions. Is this dish healthy? Are these vegetables fresh? Let's practice some example questions together. You can repeat after me. What should I eat for breakfast? Which fruit is good for energy? How can I make my salad tastier? Is yogurt healthy? Are nuts good for snacks? Great! Now let's talk about fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins and minerals. They help your body stay strong. They protect your immune system. They help your skin, your eyes, and your digestion. You can ask questions about them. What vegetables should I eat today? How many servings of fruit are good for me? Which vegetables are easy to cook? Eating colorful fruits and vegetables is a good idea. Green, red, yellow, and orange foods give your body different nutrients. You can eat them raw, cooked, steamed, roasted, or in a smoothie. Try asking yourself before each meal, can I add more vegetables to this plate? Which fruit can I eat as a snack? Now, let's talk about protein. Protein helps your muscles, skin, and hair. It also helps your brain work well and keeps you full longer. You can ask, do I have enough protein in this meal? Which protein is easiest to cook? Is chicken or fish better for today? Protein comes from many sources: eggs, yogurt, chicken, fish, beans, lentils, nuts, and tofu. A small portion in every meal is enough. Next, let's talk about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give your body energy. They help you move, think, and stay active. Healthy carbs include rice, pasta, potatoes, oats, and whole grain bread. Unhealthy carbs include candy, sugary snacks, and soda. You can ask, how much rice should I eat? Is this bread whole grain? Can I replace cookies with fruit? Now let's talk about water. Your body needs water every day. Water helps your digestion, your skin, and your brain. Sometimes we think we are hungry, but we are really thirsty. You can ask, have I drunk enough water today? Can I drink water instead of soda? How much water do I need now? Next, let's talk about sugar. Sugar is delicious, but too much sugar makes you tired. It also affects your mood. You don't have to stop eating sugar completely, you just need to enjoy it in small amounts. Ask yourself, can I eat fruit instead of candy? Is this dessert okay for today? Should I save sugar for a special time? Now, let's talk about mindful eating. Mindful eating means paying attention when you eat. It means slowing down and noticing the taste, the smell, and the texture. Many people eat too fast while watching TV or scrolling their phone. You can ask yourself, am I really hungry or am I bored? Have I chewed this bite properly? Am I full now? Slowing down helps your body know when it is satisfied. It also helps you enjoy your food more. Let's talk about meal planning. Planning your meals makes healthy eating easier. When you plan, you avoid unhealthy last-minute choices. You also save time and money. Ask yourself, what can I cook tomorrow? What ingredients do I need? Which simple meals can I prepare? You can cook simple foods like rice with vegetables, eggs with bread, soups, salads, or beans. Planning even 1 or 2 days ahead helps a lot. Now, let's talk about healthy snacks. Good snacks give you energy between meals. Some examples are fruit, yogurt, nuts, popcorn, carrots, or whole grain crackers. Ask yourself, which snack is healthier? Do I have a snack for this afternoon? Can I prepare snacks in advance? Next, let's talk about portion size. Portion size means how much food you eat. Many people eat too much because their plates are big or because they eat too fast. Ask yourself, is my plate too full? Have I eaten enough vegetables? Should I save some for later? A good rule is to fill half your plate with vegetables and the other half with protein and carbs. Now, let's talk about emotional eating. Sometimes we eat because we feel sad, stressed, bored, or tired, not because we are hungry. Ask yourself, am I really hungry? Can I drink water instead? Should I take a short walk? These questions help you understand your body better. Finally, let's talk about cooking at home. Cooking at home gives you control. You choose the ingredients, the amount of oil, and the amount of salt. Simple meals like eggs, rice, vegetables, beans, or soups are enough. Ask yourself, what can I cook today? Which spices make this tastier? Do I need more vegetables or protein? Before we finish, here is a small challenge for you. Today or tomorrow, try to ask at least 5 questions in English about your meals. Ask at a restaurant, at home, or at a grocery store. Write your questions down, speak them out loud, and try to answer them. The more you ask questions, the better your English becomes, and the healthier your choices will be. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. This is Amelia, and I will see you again in the next English podcast for beginners. Keep asking questions, keep practicing, and stay healthy. Goodbye.